Good morning.
Top of the morning to you.
And we're just taking off.
Oh, the ladder's down.
Yeah. See you later, Sanborn. So what's the plan, Kate?
Going back to Whitianga. I've got a surgery appointment on Wednesday, and yeah, Dan might solo sail for a bit. I got 2 weeks recovery.
It's the end of the big voyage. Well, our northern part of it.
I want to cry.
Still gonna get home at some point.
Yeah.
All fun and games.
Leaving barrier. Pretty emotional because this is where it all started.
Way to use the stove there, babe?
Run out of gas, use a gas.
Oh, thank you. Bird's trying to get hooked up on the lure. I'm bound for the mercs, gonna go and have a dive off the bookshelf, just in here.
Just doing some spearing for dinner. We're at the mercs. Dan's gone in. Just finished up a dive. 2 snapper for dinner for me. Dan's still going, but beautiful sunset soon. Good way, in paradise, eating dinner.
Hey!
Yeah, good dive, got a couple snaps. Yeah.
Yeah! Couple snap. Nice. Kate slaying it. Dan once again missing mooches. Nice.
Poor Dan.
Yeah.
No, we're leaving the barrier this morning, which is heartbreaking for me, but we're at the mercs, which is my favourite spot in the whole world. And yeah, we're going to stay at Whaler Cove tonight. Northeast wind picking up, so hopefully we'll be a bit sheltered. We're good.
Nice sail on the morning home to Whitianga.
burgers. You got a fillet there, Dan?
Sure do. Give them a nice wash in the salt water. Beauty. Nice snapper fillet.
Fillets for the burgers. Thanks, Dan.
How you make do when you're out of gas, hey babe?
Yeah. Look at that fish.
Okay. Beautiful. Snap. The burgers on the go. Looking good. Look at that. Girl, that's pretty good, Kate. Excited.
We were sailing into Whitianga and we decided we wanted to keep going, so we asked a few friends for the weekend and we went back out to the mercs. We had an awesome weekend full of sunshine and just good times all around. And if you guys haven't already, please hit the icon on the right to subscribe to our channel. Sailing around the mercs this weekend. Got Rachel and Danielle on board and going 5 knots with a bit of breeze, so it should be good. Oh, he might sound
Hey, get a shot.
Let's do an interview.
It's a video. The boom bus. Have you met the boom bus yet, Rachel?
Huh?
Have you met the boom?
Boom.
Yeah, you gotta shake hands with the boom. Start your friendship.
Hi, Dan.
Hey, get a shot.
Hey guys, so last trip, sailing home,
Yeah, just going out to the mercs, so.
going out to the mercs with the girls.
Fun.
Nice.
Okay.
Oh, hello.
You could have both. You could like shooting double. Cheers, fun dive. Pretty average. But I think what's happened noticed the last 2 weeks. So I think the water's cooled down or the visitors rubbish. I don't know. Fish are scared. It's been pretty difficult to get dinner. But still get to get in the water.
Morning at the mercs. Beautiful morning. Wow. So calm. So nice. I'm just gonna go for a swim. It's gonna be quite cold because it's winter. 3, 2, 1. I got the GoPro. Welcome. So cool.
Yeah, swimming.
Oh shit. Yeah, I'll hold on to you. And then you go.
See it in your eyes, you're special. In this temple that you built, can I nestle? I got some problems, I can list them as several. But be gentle as my vessel is stressful, darling. And my mental got the doctor's schedule. On the script I watch a slowly pencil.
Where are we up to, love?
Searching for a hole in the rock.
Oh, alright. Little cave.
Although a rental isn't as sentimental, in the end it's just some wood and some metal. And even though I know I'm a tiny speckle,
We're on the move.
I got some questions and they're all existential. And I can find answers that seem evidential. And this experience is too influential, darling. Sitting in the backseat, about to get my face beat now. You can always ask me to get out the backseat.
Look there, that's fine.
Sitting on the corner street, can you pick me up please now? Can you pick me up please? Can you pick me up please now? Did you someone? Did you someone? Did you sitting in the backseat, about to get my face beat now.
Doing? Harbour.
Going into the waterways.
Nice.
And
Just that 20 so we don't hit this guy.
yeah, we had a nice little weekend at the mercs. And it's just a stunning afternoon.
Yeah.
Pick me up, please now. Don't know you no more. Don't know if I'm sure. I'm sorry, insecure. You're acting obscure. Go up and control. Until we'll enjoy the Saturday talk. Did you? Sitting in the backseat, about to get my face beat now. Did you?
Hello there. We're in Whitianga Waterways. We did three to 4 days on the hard stand, did all the anti-foul, anode, prop speed, cleaned the whole boat up really nice and back in the water, and then parked up here for a couple of days, and we're now heading home after 5 months, I think it is, left in December. So 5 months board, on and off a bit, but yeah, epic sail, and we've got about 26 knots at the moment, gusting, bit of wind out there, so should be easing throughout the day, but should be some nice sailing, and we're going to tack it, see how boat harbour is, or maybe Whangataa for the night. Split it up. Yeah, just not that keen to do 12 hours on the nose, so yeah.
It's not on the nose.
On the beam, but
On the beam.
on the go. That's what I was meaning.
Oh.
12 hours on the go.
What direction's the wind?
Wind is westerly, so on the beam home, which is perfect, and it goes a bit more northwest tomorrow, so probably couldn't ask for better wind conditions. We should be flying home, but yeah, sad to be our last little voyage before we're back to the base. So it's looking pretty fresh after our little spruce up. Got nice new anti-foul on the bottom there. Gorgeous. Fast lines.
Falling out of love, I'm falling into this place. I'm telling you, I know I get down, but can out a race. You are more than us, and I just pray to live. I'm struggling to keep up when I'm living on pace. And you know I'll get it, but will I give a shit? Getting tired of faking everything like this. And you see me in the darkest of my life. And you know my eyes are burning through the night. 'Cause I'm making mistakes everywhere I go. I'm sinking now more often than afloat. 'Cause baby, I don't know if I'm gonna show, if I'm gonna make it, or if
Being
I'm
around here,
but please don't blame yourself.
heading past Cathedral Cove over here, and down the coast.
I was stealth.
Cathedral Cove. Ah, hey. Gus here coming over the hills. You can see that.
I'll come down, cause when I'm on solid ground, I get myself really down. But
If it's okay.
who is so afraid to fly, then why do I always try to get high in cloudy skies?
Boat harbour, and I'm gonna see if there's any swell, but it's looking quite good for the wind. So boat harbour.
Be a good night's sleep in here. Nice island that protects it sort of from the north swell. It's an easterly, another easterly. Nice. Could be a good park up, I reckon. Beautiful New Zealand Bay, eh? Stunning. First thoughts on Boat Harbour, Kate?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Just parked up. Should be probably head for a dive, do you think?
So good.
For a dive, there's a beach there, nice stream in there. So yeah, we don't have much food, so we might have to go get some snacks for dinner. See how we get on. This little bit over here looks quite nice. Getting the kit on. Time to go and get some dinner.
Oh no, they're gone.
That's right, there'll be fish everywhere. Fishy time.
What are you doing? Rainbow. Back in for a dive. Dan's filling the fish. Still a bit rainy, but it's nice.
Bit of lunch. Nice. Captain Kate. Huge workout going on out here.
What is that?
Fish for dinner.
Beauty, Kate.
Beauty.
Thanks again for tuning in. Keep your eyes peeled for the video next week. Cheers.